In this episode, we unlock the magic of AutoML, where we build a machine learning model with just a few clicks. Welcome back to the series. In our last episode, we explored ML.NET writing our initial ML model and ended with a small talk about validations and metrics. Now, imagine having the power of a data science team at your fingertips. That's the promise of automated machine learning or AutoML. Let us start. In Visual Studio, we install AutoML package. So go to NuGet Package Manager and browse for AutoML. We install the last version 0.22.3 and let us check the dependencies. For short, this is okay. I think we should, yes, we must update our ML.NET. I have the version 4.02, so we update for 4.03. Now back to AutoML. So we type here AutoML. Now we can install it, accept the dialog. So back to our editor in Visual Studio, we create a binary experiment settings object. So this is the first piece of magic in AutoML. Let us say that. So we can set here many properties, max experiment time in seconds, and the optimization metric. We let it of accuracy, so we can compare it with our manual model. The max models tells AutoML how much models can at maximum use while experimenting, which model is the best. Now we create our experiment from the experiment settings. Then we execute it. So simple is that. And as said before, we use default namings. From the experiment result, we write point best run point model. So we get the model, the best model. Then we use the method transform as we did in our manual model or initial model. We transform our test set so to predictions data view and use this predictions data view to output the metrics. We use the binary classification point evaluate method, passing our predictions data view as done in our initial model. So we put the accuracy, the AUC, F1 score, and of course, the interesting piece of information, the most interesting part for me is which model has found AutoML that is performs at the best. So here is the whole code we have written to define our AutoML experiment and executing it. Let us give it a try. Here we see the accuracy, AUC, and F1 score from our initial model from the last episode. So what is going now in the background? What is happening? I guess you know the execute method is running and it could take the maximum 300 seconds. So we have to wait it and then yes, here in the breakpoints it has finished. I accelerated the video for you, so now we continue and let us look to the metrics. Yes, the accuracy, it's same like our initial model. AUC is worse and F1 score is same. And the name of the best model that could AutoML found for us within our experiment options is called LBFGS, Logistic Regression Binary Trainer. Don't be confused with the name regression. It's still a classification model, not a regression problem, but a classification problem, and use it to train over Boolean label data. Now we come to the end of this episode. We saw AutoML in practice and compared its best run model to ours. In the next videos in the series, we will learn more advanced topics like feature engineering, which is a very interesting topic for me in machine learning, where we derive features from current ones, and we will see how we could apply it to get better models. And after we have derived our features, we could think which algorithm suits better and why. And we can also see the options of each algorithm, how we optimize the algorithm itself. So interesting topics are waiting for you, and I will see you in the next video.